It's that time again. Time to review a god-awful movie. Time to review Texas Chainsaw Massacre: The Next Generation. Oh god. Okay guys, so if you haven't felt my pain already, I was not expecting anything from this movie, because everyone craps all over the movie. I wanted it to be done. Thank God the suffering was over. But you have Leatherface. You know, you have... I have the brand spanking new. This is new, I haven't shown you guys this. I even have the freaking original Texas Chainsaw Massacre, which I'm probably going to watch right after this review. Because how in God's name do you go from this movie and then the rest, and then you go from this scary guy right here to screaming Leatherface that screams like a freaking girl. It goes, you're not scary anymore. And then whatever the frick her name is, Renelle Zellweger, you get told to sit the middle finger. She tells him to sit the heck down, but the bad, the middle, the bad word. And he does it, because he screams, ah! When you scream, when you get told to sit down, you're supposed to be chasing her, okay? My God, the whole movie, honestly, God, was freaking the Matthew McConaughey show. The Matthew McConaughey movie. Because Leatherface acted like a freaking transgender. I don't know what the frick they were doing there. Holy crap. And then I have these other, I have 3 other ones I have to watch. Texas Chainsaw, the original, the remake from 2003, and the 3D one. So I got 3 more to watch. The 2003 one I heard is the best one. With the first one. So these 3... These 2 will definitely be good. This is probably going to be an abomination, because it's in 3D. And look how you go from that original iconic mask to this mask. That looks nothing. I don't know what that is. So yeah, honest to God. And then after I watched these, I have watched the Leatherface 3, Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3. That's decent, it's hysterical, cheesy fun. It's better than The Next Generation, which I'm not going to own at all. Even if you ask me. If you guys put the OMG movie or fricking Texas Chainsaw The Next Generation, I would fricking rather watch the OMG movie than The Next Generation, people. Okay, that's how bad it is. That's how bad it is. Because I don't want to hear Leatherface screaming like a little freaking girl. Oh my God. It's insufferable to watch. None of the characters are good. I don't care for Matthew McConaughey. He was funny, I guess, but he didn't freaking save anything. Matthew McConaughey's probably the only thing that was okay in this movie. Everything else is god-awful. So if I was grading this, I would give it an F- and a 0 stars. And I would just skip this movie because it's a waste of your life and your time. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this review. Texas Chainsaw Massacre: The Next Generation. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What's your favorite Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie? Is it one of these 3 in my hand? Because these 3 will be getting all separate reviews, and then I will do a ranking video. I haven't seen Texas Chainsaw 2, so I gotta watch that. And then, yeah, I think I'm just missing like a couple more. There's only 8, so I'm missing like 2 more. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Do you agree with me? If you don't, sorry, but that's my honest to God opinion. And no, I will not pay $30 on Blu-ray for this freaking trash. Goodbye, everybody.